Good afternoon. Today we are at a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, quaint farmhouse located in Baskerville. This space can be considered a living room. Across the hall, you have a formal dining area. Through here, you will find a spacious bathroom, walk-in shower. Also through this space, you have a small room which could be used as a bedroom or an office. Here you have a master bedroom, spacious with lots of lighting, which carries through to the second full bathroom, also featuring a walk-in shower, into the pantry, utility, laundry room, and into the recently updated kitchen with new appliances. Eat-in area. And there you have it. Give us a call to schedule a viewing.